Hello guys, let us discuss the Cash App and how to unblock it in unsupported countries. So Cash App is officially only available in the US and UK. You can't simply link to a bank or send PTP payments if you're based in an unsupported country. So what you can't do outside of these countries, you can't install or use the app normally abroad. It's going to block signups in most app transactions. You can't link foreign bank accounts or debit cards, because only US and UK issued cards and accounts are accepted, and you can't send or receive payments internationally. Alright, now let us talk about the workarounds, unofficial and caveats. So first, VPN plus virtual US or UK number. Use a reliable VPN to mimic a supported country connection. Get a virtual US/UK number via services like Numero eSIM to register. You can also use UK or US payment accounts. You'll still need a US or UK issued debit card to fully activate your Cash App. Provide full KYC, name, address, DOB, and optionally SSN for identity verification. Also, you can try withdrawing via Bitcoin if fully set up. Unverified users or those without a local credit card or debit card may convert balance to Bitcoin and withdraw up to 2K a day. So what you can still do abroad, use your cash card internationally for purchases and ATM withdrawals in countries supported by Visa. Often works even when app access is limited. Manage local usage once you're back in a supported country. Transfers, deposits, and cash outs work normally. So if you're outside of these two countries and want reliable global transfers, consider alternatives like Wise, Revolut, or PayPal, which officially support international borderless payments. So that's pretty much it. These are the caveats and details that you need to know about this topic. Hope you enjoyed the video, like it, and subscribe to our channel as always, and of course, see you soon.